Hello, and welcome to Bessemer and Lake Erie 902. We are stationed at Wallace Junction in Girard, Pennsylvania, as Norfolk Southern 099, a train carrying radioactive waste heading westbound approaches the junction. Leading the train today is a Norfolk Southern ES44DC. Looking to the west, Illinois Central ST70s 1022 and 1028 can be seen passing the special Norfolk Southern high and wide train. The IC 1022 and 1028 are Illinois Central ST70s, both built in 1999 for the Illinois Central Railroad. When Canadian National took over the Illinois Central Railroad in 1999, these locomotives became part of the Canadian National roster. In March of 2015, Canadian National assigned 6 ex-Illinois Central ST70 locomotives to the Bessemer and Lake Erie subdivision. Though these units have come and gone, the 1022 and 1028 represent 4 of the Illinois Central ST70s currently residing on the Bessemer. The Bessemer Lake Erie runs from Conneaut, Ohio to North Bessemer, Pennsylvania, with a branch line starting in Albion, Pennsylvania that runs to Girard, Pennsylvania, totaling 9 miles in length. Wallace Junction is the northern terminus of the Bessemer and Lake Erie branch. At one time, the Bessemer Lake Erie had trackage rights into Erie, Pennsylvania, 10 miles east of this location. In the mid-1990s, however, these trackage rights were canceled and the Bessemer Lake Erie began to interchange at Wallace Junction with the Norfolk Southern. Having just finished their work at Emsco Plastics, 1 mile down the line in Girard, the IC duo brings 2 empty covered hopper cars up here to Wallace Junction, where they will be set out on the interchange track for the Norfolk Southern C62 local to pick up. With switching now complete, the crew moves to the south end leader, the IC 1028. Before long, the lights are turned on and the light power move departs southbound for Albion before heading north to Conneaut, Ohio to grab an ore train. Now let's watch as they depart Wallace Junction and head south towards Girard, Platea, and eventually Albion. Moving west about 1 mile, we are now at the Girard curve between Mechanic and Haggerty Streets. Approaching us is an extra weed sprayer train spraying pesticides to control the weeds along the right-of-way. Now let's watch as this train passes our camera with another ES44DC leading the way. As Norfolk Southern 928 goes off to the east towards Wallace Junction, we thank you for watching Bessemer and Lake Erie 902, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quality railroading content just like this. Happy rail fanning and train chasing.